Hey folks, Tim here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If Hazel's this eager to subscribe, shouldn't you be? Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button.
Coming up on Simply Chillin' with Tim, Elaine, and Hazel. We take a hike into the Sierra Azul Open Space Preserve, 2,000 feet to the top.
You can do it, Hazel.
And we take in some spectacular views of the San Francisco Bay Area while doing so.
We made it to the top.
Equipped with only a cell phone, food, water, and our trekking poles, Elaine, Hazel, and I decided to set off on a hike into the Sierra Azul Open Space Preserve. The Sierra Azul, roughly translated meaning Blue Range, is an 18,000-acre wilderness located just east of Lexington Reservoir in the Santa Cruz Mountains and climbs to more than 2,000 feet above sea level. Hazel. Ascending the Limekiln Trail is a moderate hike and provides great views and abundant shade. But all that changes about 2.5 miles in. As we reach the crossroads of the Limekiln Trail and the Priest Rock Trail, that's where the shade ended and the real climbing began. But first, we took a quick water break and had some snacks before we set off for the Kennedy Trail to the peak of the Sierra Azul. We're here at the intersection of the Limekiln Trail and the Priest Rock Trail. We just came up this trail over here, which is Limekiln, has a great view of the Bay Area. And we're going to head up that trail right there, which is Priest Rock Trail. It's about 1.5 miles to Kennedy Trail. Limekiln Trail continues off that way. That's about 3 miles to Kennedy Trail, but we're gonna head up that direction right there. With little shade, steep grades, and loose trail conditions, the Priest Rock Trail, while beautiful, is not a hike for people with mobility concerns or for those in poor health.
You can do it, Hazel. You got this.
So this is the last half mile, and it's crazy steep. After just over 4 miles and about 2.5 hours of hiking, we reached the Kennedy Trail where we took in the views of the Bay Area and settled in for lunch and a water break. After a rest and refueling, we took the 4-mile trek down the Priest Rock Trail back to the beginning. So this is the trail we came up, across that little ridge, and now we're going back down it. The Priest Rock Trail provides some of the best views of the Bay Area, but it's so steep and unstable in sections that it was nearly impossible to capture video while trying to use my trekking poles. There's Mount Numminum over there, that square box right there. With a varied environment of vegetation and wildlife, there's something new to see no matter what time of year you go. And while we didn't see any, just remember that this is mountain lion, bobcat, and coyote territory. Also, you want to be prepared for a fairly strenuous hike, so be sure to take plenty of water and food. Comfortable hiking boots or shoes are a must, and I'd also recommend considering trekking poles. The Sierra Azul is great for hikers, non-electric mountain bikes, and equestrians, but always remember trail courtesy and right-of-ways, and if you pack it in, pack it out, leave no trace. For more information on the Sierra Azul Open Space Preserve, check out the link I provided in the description below. And while you're checking out the link to the Sierra Azul, be sure to check out the link to our new Patreon page. It's support from viewers like you that will help us broaden and improve our content while providing you exclusive perks for being a patron. You can find us on Patreon at patreon.com/simplychillin'. That's patreon.com/simplychillin'. Take care.